Hello everyone, today we are going to start your chapter of political science, that is democracy and diversity. Here, as the chapter name is itself saying, two words, democracy and diversity. We have already talked about democracy. You all know that democracy is a system in which the people of a country lives freely. They got several types of independent, like freedom to choose speech and freedom to select whatever the religion they can select. Okay, freedom for the study, freedom for roaming anywhere inside the country. Okay, likewise. So now the next thing is what? It is diversity. So diversity is what the differences. Okay. So here basically we have to learn that how there's a differences among the people living in a country, and which kind of country? A democratic country. Okay, so first of all you need to understand the meaning of social difference. Okay, so here what social difference is, what social is, what it is all about related to the society. Okay, so people living in society, how they are facing the differences among the peoples, or more precisely we can say that how we are facing the different types of discrimination. So here the point number one which you have to understand is origin of social differences. Okay, so that means what? That the social differences feelings, how this all came. So what is the origin? So that we have divided into two categories, that is based on accident of birth and based on our choices. So here, which is accident of birth category, is saying here we cannot choose anything. Okay, we are not having this freedom like we can choose the place where we were supposed to birth. It is all natural factors. Okay, so the one factor what you are observing, that it is already given. Okay, we can't choose that, but the other thing is like we can choose the other category. So the first one here, it is saying based on accident of birth, that the first point is what? We are born in a particular family, religion and caste. That is so true, that we all particular person come in a particular family, the family which is having a particular religion, caste, and we also join them and follow the same things. Now we are tall, short, dark, that all depends on our family. Okay, this second point. Now we are either male or female. So this all 3 points. Okay, here we don't have any option to choose. So that is why it is saying, and it kept under this category of based on accident of birth. Now it is saying based on our choices. So what is the base of our choices? It is saying the first one is occupation. Obviously, as we have took birth, we will study. Okay, people study, people go to school, and as per their interest they go to the different fields, and accordingly they choose the occupation. Now the second one, religion. Here our constitution give us the right that okay, let's suppose that I took birth in Hindu family, but after a certain time I have observed, or I have like more like the other religion, so I am free to choose the other religion. I can convert my religion. So this freedom is given in our country. Okay, subjects of preferences, that means what? Whatever we like, we prefer in life. Okay, that all things we can choose. So likewise, it is saying the first category, that is the origin of social differences, that is divided into two categories. In the first, it is all about the natural thing which we get by our birth, and the next one is the things which we can get from our choice. Okay, the second type is, now we have to understand about the types of social division. That means what? That how in the society the social division take place, what kind of types are there. So here basically we have discovered it that we can divide it again. It into two parts, that is overlapping differences and cross-cutting differences. So basically this overlapping differences is what it is, somehow very much related to the racial discrimination happens in our society. For example, like the currently also, you people, if you are like aware that whatever is going in our country and in our world, so you would have known that in these days what happened, that in America there is a racial discrimination took place again between the black peoples and white peoples. Okay, so this is what the color of the skin color of people is also somehow get turned on the like as a, you can say like it can be get turned as a factor for which the people get discriminated. So here it is saying that how black being ill treated by whites, obviously, like if for example if we are talking about America, so America is a country where there is a black people also, white people also, but the white peoples don't like the black peoples, so that is why they don't treat them well. Okay, and because of this exploitation from the ancient time, like, so the black people have also not tend to get educated. Okay, so they are not so good in education in many areas. Okay, and then it is saying the black faces discrimination, obviously by the white peoples, the black faces the discrimination. So this is what the racial discrimination examples are here. You can add many more by reading your book. Okay, so that all will come under the overlapping differences. Now it is saying about the cross-cutting differences. Okay, so what we will study under this category, it is saying that in this the people share common interest, there is a multicultural accommodation, and one group cannot be made to threat other groups. So here what it is saying, that here the racial discrimination kind of thing is not there, but the people, those who are having the common interest, they share it. Okay, then there is a multicultural accommodation. This all features you can relate to our country, that here as we all are having the different cultures and still we all are living in a one country only. So likewise this examples can be related. Okay,